How to set up buy one specific item from products list and get another product for free. In this tutorial, we are going to speak about how to set up buy one specific item from products list and get another product for free. There is no doubt that offering a free gift with one specific product as one of the best marketing strategies can put it on your customers' eyes to purchase it from your online store more than other products. This type of free gift is known as the Buy X, Get Y method, which means when customers purchase X from your website, Y will be added to their cart automatically. It is obvious that X is totally different from Y, so you can offer a less valuable product as a gift for purchasing a more valuable product. For example, let's try to set this rule in WooCommerce Gift Products plugin. If customers buy one beanie, they can get one sunglass as a free gift. Set up this free gift is simply possible by following these instructions. First, add a new rule and set the method. To add a new rule in our plugin, at first you need to open to the rule page. In this page, by pressing Add Rule button, a new form will be displayed, contained different fields that you need to fill them by suitable data to create a new rule and offer your preferred gift to your customers. To set up buy one specific item from products list and get another product for free, you need to choose Buy X, Get Y from the combo box of method field. It is also important to mark Auto Add Gift to Cart, which means the gift will be added to the customer cart automatically. Then, you have to specify the number of products and the free gifts you want to offer to the customers under Quantities and Settings section. As we mentioned above, we want to offer buy one beanie, get one sunglass, so we type 1 under both buy and get fields as shown here. Add the specific product. The next step is to set the product's buy and specify by purchasing which product customers can get the gift. To set the product, you need to click on Add Product button and continue as follow. Choose product from the first combo box. Select In List from the next combo box. Type B on the selection box to see the list of products. Select Beanie from the list. Specify the free gift. Now it's time to define the sunglass as a gift. To do this, you need to type S on the Include Products of Get section. Choose Sunglasses from the list. You can activate this gift by clicking on Save Changes button. As soon as clicking on Save Changes, you can see the free gift has been added to the list of rules. You can activate, deactivate this rule or other rules anytime you want by choosing Enable, Disable as appeared here. Customer View. Let's take a look at how customers can get the gift by purchasing from your online store. As you can see, customer added a beanie to the cart, and after viewing their cart, the sunglass has been added to the cart automatically.